Hi, everybody.
Hello.
I'm Jill,
I'm Dan.
and welcome to
Cocktails with Jill and Dan.
We're at a restaurant in downtown Rapid City called Murphy's, and we have a delicious meal waiting for us. But we just had a lovely couple cocktails. I'm having a Traveler's. I think it's a Traveler's grapefruit beer. Yum.
Yep.
What are you drinking, Daniel?
Gin and tonic today.
Can't go wrong with that because we know what tap beer does to Dan, right?
Right.
Yeah, gotta be good to yourself. So this is what we did today. We were playing with. What are we doing? You talk, honey.
Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna raise one eyebrow. So go ahead and raise one eyebrow, which is interesting because we realize we mirror each other.
Like this. Okay. And then raise both eyebrows.
No problem. Now raise the other one. Can't do it.
We can't do it, but so talk amongst yourselves. Work on that little project, and we'll see you next time at Cocktails
Cocktails with Jill and Dan. Bye-bye.
Cheers.